Hello, this is Greg. Today is just kind of a curiosity teardown. This is a sexual health like test kit. I suppose it's best just to open it up here and show you. Garbage. And this little guy right here. I was kind of surprised at how much stuff is inside of here. And this is just kind of, if you're interested, there's nothing real special about this. I need the little tray to put the parts in. I need some of the parts out of here for other projects. What was it? There we go. And then here. Oh, no. We have to unscrew it. Right here. Oh, wrong one. This one. These I'm going to not put in the trays. So with the stuff I throw in the trays, I just throw away most of the plastics. But you can already see that, and this is brand new. All of this is, everything on here is brand new. It's never even, well, it was probably turned on and tested before it was put away. So all of these resistors, if I need them, now like this main chip, I'm sure that's probably, I have to look, but that's probably programmed, and I shouldn't make assumptions. There we go. Now let's see. This kind of, oh, that's right. There's a little here. Oops. No? Or is it forward? No. All right. Come on. I know this thing pops off of here. This pushes down and this slides back. There we go, just like that. Why? Okay, oops. And then that, and come on. There we go. Gotcha. Then this is what I am after for a different project, because it's a very nice little heat sink and it has the screws. All inclusive. Little project board. Come on, there we go. Same thing over here. And then put these screws straight back in. And every year, the medical profession throws these things away, the ones that haven't been used. And every now and then, I get lucky and find them before they get thrown out. So yeah, this is a nice little heat sink. It's got a thing to hang it, or snap tie, long strings on it to snap tie stuff down or screw through to. Very nice. And then the rest of the stuff that's in here, this right here is extremely interesting. This little guy right here. Now this guy, let's see if I can hook this up really quick. I do this without there. Oop. Right there. And right there. Okay. And how's my... Oops, wrong button. Yeah. Let's crank this down. The thing only is supposed to take... It only has a 9-volt input. And that's what that thing does. So... That's it. Every one of these, everything in it's brand new. So that's a keeper. So this board, well, I can take this board, this little thing right here is just, it's just glued down. Get underneath this. There we go. And yeah, and then there is, there's capacitors, switches. Ooh, a little plug. That's nice. Yeah. So, I don't know what I'll use them for, but oftener than not, chances are what I'll need off of this will be either a capacitor, some type of resistor or something. Row of little tiny LEDs. Anyway, moving on. Then the other things in here that are kind of interesting are these little motors. This one here is a little injection pump thing, but there's another one of those right in here. In here where it swooshes this, and then there's fluid inside of these little jars. I don't mess with those. I don't know what's in them. That's why I don't power it up. I don't want it to turn on. There's little beads in here for filters. But this little thing I find kind of cool, so those I'll set aside. And that's it. The rest of it is just waste. And then I end up with this little stuff and then this little heat sink. So if you find these little devices, don't just assume that there's nothing in there. I was shocked when I opened this first one up and started messing with it. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed that. I find it very therapeutic to tear things apart with no intention of putting it back together. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.